Hello guys, we are back at animals versus invaders. Now this time this is level 4. I think that's not right actually. Oh no. Oh no. It's fine. Looks like you're the one standing in the way of our invasion. I was thinking of making you one of our lords, so I don't know how to pronounce it, but too bad. I'll defeat you right away. Oh gosh, it is actually so loud. No, stop it. Invaders will hatch out of that? I have actually never passed this level before, it's too hard. Yes. Oh, disgusting. Why? I'm not ready. Yeah. Okay, I'll exit the level. Oh. Hello. I can see your username. Okay. Why? I am here. No, I can't. I can never avoid that. Yes, I have barely even touched it. Wait, I'll set the level. No. There you go. What do you mean? What do you mean? Wait, hold on. I'm gonna become the knight. I'm gonna waste 70 G coins on this. Yes. I exited the level. I just bought the knife. I mean the knight, not the knife. Why did I say the knife? I'm doing the level. That was a waste of G-coins. I can actually just... Maybe I can ask them for a release. I don't know. Okay. No! How did I? I gave the heck out of it. I know that's the 5 people. No, stop it, stop it. I don't like you, I don't like you, I don't like you. Test it out.
Good number. Kasi din. Good number, please.
Okay. Look at me, I'm so cute.
Don't forget your nice back.
So cute.
Rice. Rice.
Okay. I'm so cute. Look at me. I'm auto attacking. This is amazing. This is how to do the British areas. Here we go. I'm so bored. I lost it. I guess you. What you say first. Yes, I'm gonna just do the challenge. You say you say you don't say first. No, I don't like the night. I don't like the night. I don't wanna be the night. Where's my animal? I'm gonna look for ladies. Oh, there you go. Why you're in my server? Ew, it's a bot. Three boys. Yes, I am in the game. No, get away from me. I'm doing the challenge. White lemons. You guys should vibe to this music.
Ate, here's for go. Ate is gonna... Kaya mo ba nito dito?
Oh gosh, I'm sorry. Says you're in the versus World 2 boss. Sorry guys, I thought the video was paused. Easy.
baby. Ay, your glass. Can you move it here? Here, Inside the...
Okay, so just the no, I don't want the invaders. It's so easy to defeat. Oh gosh, no ball, not the ball. Oh. I don't like the boss attack phase. Oh my goodness, I don't like the boss. I don't like boss. I don't like boss. I don't like boss. Actually, he's so cute. What? I'm literally playing with. I'm literally playing. I'm literally playing the game. Oh, that's amazing. Boom, 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 boom. What? No. Anyway, this is actually a great way to train. I did not, oh my gosh, I'm sorry, I'm so sorry guys, I did not realize how long the video is. I lost to the board. I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry. Guys, okay, wait. Check the leaderboard. I still have that, there's another. Alright guys, so let's do the okay guys, so that's all for today because my tablet probably has no space. Okay, bye.